Hi, today we are going to see nutritious salad. For that I am going to do, the main thing is the sprouted moong. Sprouted moong I have, that I am adding first. Then vegetables like cucumber, chopped cucumber, apple, I have taken apple. If you have green apple, you can take green apple also. Any fruit, any one fruit you can add. Like whatever fruit you prefer, you can add. Now I am adding apple. Apple I have taken, cucumber, grated carrots, capsicum and cabbage. Capsicum I have taken, chopped, cabbage, tomato and coriander leaves. First I am adding I have added sprouted moong, little cucumber. Cucumber I am adding more because I like cucumber. Apple, cabbage, carrot, capsicum, chopped capsicum, this will be very nutritious and healthy also. Only thing, you have to sprout the moong 2 days before. Tomato, coriander leaves. What all vegetables you prefer, you can add. Finely chopped. I have chopped like easy to munch. Finely chopped, small pieces. Now I am adding lemon juice. This recipe was shared by my friend. Salt, pepper, olive oil. Olive oil will be a great taste with this fruits and vegetables. Sprouted moong will give you additional taste and it is very healthy. Simply sprouted moong cannot be eaten too much. Like only 1 or 2 teaspoons you can eat. So if you do like this mixed with salads, fruits and vegetables, it will be more, you can consume more sprouts. This is a good way of feeding sprouts to the children. So colorful, see, it's very colorful and tasty also. It's very simple, very simple. The time taken to chop the vegetables will be little more. Once you chop the vegetables, it will be very easy. Just mix and have. You can pack this in the lunch box also, it will be nice. For office going people, it's very healthy. If the children and or old people, those who are not able to chew and munch, you can steam this and add, without adding lemon, you have to steam cook. Steam cook and add curd. It will be very nice.